I'm Nagarjun B, Computer Science lecturer, Hosapete. In this video, I'm explaining regarding what is meant constant and the classification of the constants of an C programming language. So first, what is meant constant? The term constant means a quantity which does not change during the execution of an program. Constants are treated just like our regular variables except that their values cannot be modified after their definition. That means you cannot make any changes or alter the values of the variables. And whatever the values which we are going to give to an constant, those are called as fixed values because we cannot change the values, and it is also called as literals. This represents the classification of an constants. So we can see that the constants has been classified into two types, numerical constants and non-numerical constant. Numeric constants and non-numeric constant. These are the two basic classification. Again, these have been subdivided. That is, the numeric constant has been divided into integer constant, floating constants, and non-numeric constant has been divided into character constants and string constants. Numeric constants are nothing but the numbers. Integer and floating point constant represent numbers and they are referred to as an numeric type constant. The following rules applies to all the numerical type constants. First one, comma and blank spaces cannot be included within the constant. Constants can be preceded by a minus or plus sign if desired. If either sign does not precede, the constant is assumed to be a positive number. The value of a constant cannot exceed specified minimum and maximum bounds, and it depends upon the type of constant which has been declared. That is, it depends upon the data type and depends upon the compiler. Integer constants. Integer constants are the whole numbers without any fractional part. That means it will not be consisting of any decimal point. Thus, integer constant consists of only a sequence of digits. The integer constants can be written in three different systems. Those are decimal, octal, hexadecimal. So these are the type of a number system, that is a decimal, octal and hexadecimals. In these three formats we can write an integer constant. The general form of integer constant is sign, digits. Between sign and digits there should be one single space where sign is an optional plus for positive numbers and minus sign for negative numbers. Digits is nothing but a sequence of digits and it is valid through 0 to 9 in case of an decimal numbers, and it is valid to 0 to 7 in case of an octal number system, and 0 to 9 and A to F in case of an hexadecimal number system. A decimal integer constant consists of any combination of a digits taken from 0 through 9. If a decimal constant contains two or more digits, the first digit must be something other than 0 because an octal number system in case of a C programming language will be starting with 0. For that purpose, a decimal integer constant should be something other than 0 if it is consisting of two or more digits. Examples for an decimal integer constant are 799, 1, minus 1234, minus 999. So we can see the first two we have not written any signs, that means these are an positive numbers, whereas for a third and the fourth we have written minus sign, that means these are the negative numbers. The following decimal integer constants are written incorrectly, and first one is 12, 001. Here it is invalid or incorrect because we have used a comma symbol. The next one 10.0, we have used a decimal point. 10 space 20 space 30, here it is invalid because it is having a space in an integer constant. Then 045, it is also invalid because it is starting with an 0 because a decimal integer constant should not start with an 0. An octal integer constant can consist of any combination of digits taken from a set of 0 through 7. However, the first digit must be 0 in order to identify the constant as an octal number. Here, some of the examples of invalid octal integer constants are 001, 0123, 0571, 0755. A few examples of invalid octal constants are 2010. It is invalid because it is starting with 2. As I told, an octal integer constant should start with 0. Then 2008, it is invalid because it is starting with 2 and it is having 8, which does not comes under the set of an octal number system because it can have from 0 to 7. Then 05.10, it is invalid because it is having a decimal point. 015.109, it is invalid because it is having a decimal point and it is having a 9, which does not comes under the octal number system. Then hexadecimal integer constant must begin with either 0x or 0x. Here x can be a capital letter or it can be a small letter as uppercase or a lowercase letter. It can then be followed by any combination of digits taken from the set of 0 to 9 and A to F. Some of the examples for an hexadecimal integer constants which are valid are 0x0, 0x1, 0xab125, 0x555. Some of the invalid hexadecimal integer constants are 0x20.10. It is illegal because it is having a decimal point. 02008, it is invalid because it is not starting with 0x because 0x indicates an hexadecimal integer. 0x A B C D E F G, it is illegal because it is having a character G, which does not come under the set of an hexadecimal integer decimal number system because it can have from 0 to 9 and A to F. Since it is having a G, it is an invalid one. Floating point constants. Floating point constant is a base 10 number that consists either a decimal point or an exponent or both. A floating point constant can be written in two forms. One is a fractional form, another one is an exponential form. So floating point constants in the real numbers. ಯಾವುದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದು ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋನೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. First one, the fractional form. In case of a fractional form, the floating point constant must have at least one digit each to the left and right of a decimal point. Another one is an exponential form. In case of an exponential form, the floating point constant will be consisting of mantissa and an exponent. The mantissa itself is represented as a decimal integer constant or a decimal floating point constant in case of a fractional form. The letter, either an uppercase E or a lowercase letter e, represents that it is an exponent and it will be following the mantissa. The exponent must be a decimal integer. The actual number of digits in a mantissa and an exponent depends upon the compiler being used and the computer which has been used for the purpose of doing the programs or storing the values. The general form of floating point constant is sign space digits space decimal point space digits, where sign is an optional one in case of a positive number, that is a plus sign, and minus sign for the negative numbers. Digits is nothing but a sequence of digits. Decimal point is a period symbol. Again, digits is a sequence of digits. So we can see that digits, after that a decimal point, and then it will be a digits, that will be a floating point number, that is the real numbers, a number with a decimal point. We shall see examples for a floating point constants. 1.0, 0.1. These two are represented by using an fractional notation. Then third one is 2e minus 4. It is represented in a mantissa and an exponent form. And next one is minus 0.1555 e minus 4. This is also an using an exponential form. Some of the invalid floating point constants are 189.0 so here it is invalid because it is having more than one decimal point. 2,00.8 it is invalid because it is having a comma which is a special character. 2e plus 10.20 it is invalid because it is having a decimal digit in an exponential form. It is after e you need to write an integer, it should not be an decimal numbers. Then 3 space e10 it is also invalid because after 3 we have written 1 space. Character constant. A character constant is a single character enclosed in a single quotation mark or an apostrophe. Whatever you are going to write within a single quote, those will be considered as a character constant. Example, have written capital A, that is an uppercase A within a single quote, lowercase a within a single quote, then 1 within a single quote, ampersand symbol within a single quote, a space within a single quote. All these are character constant, and the first two examples, that is uppercase letter A and lowercase letter a, both are different because C is significant. It is a case sensitive. Capital A will be occupying a value as 65 according to an ASCII representation, and small a will be having a value as 97. String constants. A string constant consists of an 0 or more character enclosed in a quotation marks or a pair of double quotes. Example, welcome to C programming within double quotes. Within a double quote, I have written a single space. Within a double quotes, A plus B slash N double quotes. Within a double quotes, Raju 123 slash A slash A slash A. These are all the examples of a string constants. And note that while a string constant has been stored, it will be appended with a null character at the end. The difference between a constant which has been written within a single quote, that is uppercase A, and which has been written within a double quote uppercase A in C, is that the first one which has been written in a single quote is a character constant, and it will be occupying a single byte containing the ASCII code of a character, whereas which has been written within a double quotes, it is a string constant and it requires 2 byte space, one for the ASCII code, another one for a null character, and which will be having a value as 0 that indicates the end of an string. So this is a small video regarding C constant. First integer constant contains andre numbers without the decimal point. ಆಮೇಲೆ floating point constants numbers with an decimal point. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ two forms, ಒಂದು fractional notation, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು exponential notation. exponential notation ಅಂದ್ರೆ e ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದು. Then character constant ಅಂದ್ರೆ single character within a single quote. String constants, the constants which have been written within a double quotes. It might be a single character or a group of characters. Click on like and subscribe button.